Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Happy Valentine's Day, honeycrunchers! And for today's video, I'll be doing a simple plaid nail art with hearts. Of course, I already applied a base coat, so now I'm applying CND's Candlelight, Wooded Bliss, and Wrapped in Linen. These three will be my base color for today. By the way, all of the shades that I'm using is from CND's Wild Romantics collection. And the swatches for this collection will be posted soon. After that, let's start painting some lines. Now let's add a heart. And after all of that and letting it to dry, let's finish it off with applying Longwear Top Coat by CND. If you want to try out CND's Wild Romantics collection, the link will be available on the description box below. Plus, I'll be also adding their official social media pages. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's nail art. Don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!